Hi, today I will be showing you my goggles, Crazy Bones Advanced Special Edition. I got them today, but then right now we're gonna see them. It's nice, the packaging and everything. This is a magazine. Okay, now to the goggles. This guy's name is Frantic. Ghibli. Haro. Bad Cat. UFO. Titan. Pow. Tico. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Chemo, whatever. And the last but not least, Totem. Never seen one of these like this. It says goggles. I don't know what that is. Advanced Crazy Bones. Okay. Then here they are. Thanks for watching my goggles, Crazy Bones Advanced Special Edition, and please vote or subscribe.